Hello guys, this is Arkneil Gaming and we're going to get a free permanent spawn effect in Mobile Legends from the Naruto event. So you just have to play and win 30 matches to get all the shuriken, and you need 120 tokens for the permanent spawn effect. Let's claim it. That's 100 collector points. And you can also get this random emote pack. Can you use this? And we got battle points. And I think this is also worth it, the MVP star up card. So if you're MVP, you get an additional star. Nice. One time. So I think I should claim this as well. And all that's left is the BP card, or you can also exchange for the Chevalier medal, whichever you want. Okay, so I think there's no more. Maybe it will reset in a few days, I'm not sure. Anyways, that's it. Let's see the effect first. Preparation, effects, and then wait, spawn, not recall. Okay, so looks cool. So let's equip it on all characters. Okay. Looks like a smoke bomb. Anyways, thank you for watching. Did you get it already? Bye-bye.